Yo, what's up? This is Rich. Welcome to the video. Today we're gonna cut up some fat on this nice piece of meat. This is called a flank steak or skirt steak. I'm not gonna show you all the cutting of the video. Today we got that Kinder's Fajita seasoning and apply generously. Flip it over, do the other side. Don't have time for the charcoal today. We'll be using propane today. Start it up, we're gonna warm it, we're gonna get it up to temp. This will take a few minutes for it to get up to temperature. Now I'm gonna stop talking so we can enjoy this sizzle. Love that sound. So close that lid, turn down your heat, that way you don't burn your meat. Come back in a few minutes, flip it over, check it, then pull your meat when it's done. Turn off your propane, and then always turn off your actual knobs as well. Now, clean your cutting board. Once you're done with that, cut your meat. Don't ever cut your meat the same direction as the lines. You always want to cut it the opposite direction. That way, whenever you go to eat it, it pulls apart very easily and it's not tough like beef jerky. Just like this. That's what you want. Falls apart in your mouth. If you don't believe me, cut some the other direction and then try it this way. And you will definitely feel the difference with each bite you take. Now, here is what it looks like. We're gonna throw it on a flour tortilla, put a little extra meat on there. It's homemade. Here's how they do it in the street tacos. I'm gonna do it with the flour. They give you a little bit of meat, but they chop up your fajita meat real thin and fine, so that way it can stretch. If this video made you hungry or drool, let us know in the comments below. Give the Kinders a shot and come back and give us a like. Or you can like us now so you don't have to do it later. You put a little salsa on it, and oh boy, is it delicious. Hey, thanks for watching. Y'all enjoy.